In this video, by using this example drawing you see on your screen, you will learn the basics on how to use the 3D box, chamfer edge, and press pull in a 3D drawing. Now let us start. First, set up your workspace in 3D Basic. Click the workspace icon below, then select 3D Basic. Then using the cube, change the view to southwest isometric. All is set. Let us now begin the 3D drawing. In a 3D box, 3 sides are required: the length, the width, and the height. In our example drawing, the length is equal to 5.13, the width is equal to 2.00, and the height is equal to 3.5. Now, let us create a 3D box. First, select the box tool or command. Next, click anywhere, then enter or type the size of the width, which is 2. Next, press the Tab key on the keyboard, then enter the size of the length, which is 5.13. After entering the sizes of length and width, press the Enter key on the keyboard, then enter the size of the height, which is 3.5. Now you are done. That is how to create a 3D box in AutoCAD. In Chamfer Edge, 2 distance sides are required to create a chamfer in a 3D object. In the example drawing, 2 edges require chamfering. On the first chamfer, get the distance by subtracting the sides 3.5 and 2.5. So we have 3.5 minus 2.5, we get 1. This distance is equal to 1. And since the angle given is 45 degrees, then the distance on this side is also equal to 1. Now let us go back to the 3D box, then use Chamfer Edge. First, select the chamfer edge, then set the 2 distances. Press D on the keyboard, then press the Enter key. On the first distance, type 1, then press the Enter key. On the second distance, type 1, then press Enter key. Click the edge you want to chamfer, then press the Enter key 2 times. Now the first chamfer is finished. For the next chamfer, we need the sizes of these 2 sides. We can get the size on this side by subtracting 3.5 to 2.25. 3.5 minus 2.25, we get 1.25. For this side of the drawing, the size is 1.25. Then the size on the other side is given as 1.63. Now let us apply this to our drawing. Using the cube, turn the view of our drawing to northwest isometric. Right-click the screen, then go to Reset Input, then select Chamfer Edge. Same as the previous chamfer, set the distance of the chamfer by typing D, then press the Enter key. Take note that the first distance to enter is 1.25, and the second is 1.63. The vertical distance is always first in entering the distance value. Type 1.25, then press the Enter key. Then type 1.63, then press Enter key. Now click the edge to chamfer, then press the Enter key 2 times. All done, we have chamfered the 2 edges of our 3D drawing. On the sample drawing, there is a hole in this part. In creating a hole, use the tool or command called PRESSPULL. But before we can use PRESSPULL, create a circle on where to create the hole. Use this circle as a guide in creating the hole. Based on the figure, the center point of the circle is located at 2.88 and 1.5. Here, draw a line to locate the center point of the circle. Note, before drawing lines and circles, check if the UCS Detect, OSNAP, and Orthogonal are enabled. OK, draw a line with a length of 2.88, starting from this point to this point. Then move the mouse upward, and draw a line with a length of 1.5. At the end point of the last created line, this is the center point of the circle. By the way, the diameter of the circle is 1.52. Now, let us go on to our 3D drawing. First, draw a line, select the line tool, and click on the first point. Move the mouse at any length, type 2.88, and press the Enter key. Then move the mouse upward at any length, type 1.5, then press the Enter key. Press the Escape key to cancel the line command. Go to Visual Style and change the style to Shaded. Then select Circle. Create a circle at the end point of the last line created. Note that the selected circle is in radius. To convert the circle into diameter, type D and press the Enter key. Now, type 1.52 and press the Enter key. Select PRESSPULL and click on the center of the circle. Note, do not click on the sideline of the circle. This will not create a hole in your solid object. After clicking at the center of the circle, move your mouse through and away from the object. Then click the mouse. Now that it is complete, we have finished the 3D drawing based on our sample drawing. Let us watch the recap of our video. That is all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.